So
Yeah.
who is your driving force to for you to come up to this level? మీరు మీకు చాలా సపోర్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి కూడా ఉంది, అది మాకు తెలుసు. కానీ ఎవరు ప్రిడామినెంట్లీ డ్రైవింగ్ ఫోర్స్ మీ సక్సెస్లో దేనికి ఇస్తారు? లైక్
Like I like so many like women, like many people who are very inspiration to the society and all. I see every time, like whenever I see, like I get impressed with them, huh, they're doing very hard work and all. But I never took as an inspiration for this work, but I like this work, I have done this work and all. So
it's purely your interest levels
yeah,
that
yeah,
has
my
made you up
interest,
to this level.
yeah, my interest, it's all in my, maybe my nasib. How much ever you try, again you come and fall in that kind of case. I feel like that, hai na?
Okay.
So like totally we were there is a UPSC, there was engineering in my thing, in my planning, but totally it was different zoner, opposite zoner. And then still continuing with that, and I just want to start a post-production studio also.
Okay. Yeah, I was about to ask that do you have your own studio setup or?
Yeah, like I have to start a post-production studio where like audio and video and graphics and everything post-production studio, and there I want to put up for a girl child especially. And for the single mothers, that was my plan actually, to teach them and to give a work to them. And we have some works with the animations and other things also. So I thought ki it is better. And so many people call us and ask about, like, aap rahenge to hum bhejenge, aap hai to hum bhejenge. So like one kind of thing, like woman, if you have a woman as a owner or the animation
Leader,
ke liye, then lead, then they are ready to send. And I also like some courses which are not worthy, I can say. Like they have to redesign the courses actually. Like you have so many beautician courses, like tailoring courses, and it's not going to work out, right? It is like part-time learning or something like that. So they have to change the zoner because the AI, the technologies are grown up, the solars are so many. So solar systems we can adapt, AI you should adapt. The teaching zonal education systems have to little change, and people have to adopt that.
of course.
If somebody is not able to go to the college or something, they have open universities. So education is more important. And also I started this audiobooks free of cost. And first it was in the Nagari constituency. There's a government school, children have the written the books, audiobooks. So I've done in the audio, I have done that full format, full book into audio. So
can you tell more about that? Like government children have
so
written.
actually I started doing this audio books for the free of cost for the literature development. Okay. And like this, the whole book will be distillized. Like nowadays you are getting this books distillized format, right? You can read the books in the online and all. So now I'm doing, like, all this audio. The book can be, you can hear in the, like, podcast also, in the YouTube also. At the same time, when you are traveling also, you can learn and study about that karke. So once I went to an event there, they were like, the book cost was 50 rupees and 30 rupees and all. I was a guest for that event, and I thought I should do something for the society. Then I should give what I can do from my side karke. Then I thought of doing this audio books. And the first book was opened, we have done in the Nagari constituency, that is in Tirupati. And the first audio books, and the first, why that book? Because the government children has written the book. It's not
government children
yeah, they have a they have written a poetries and prose, like on the earth, amma paina, nature paina ala rasa anamata. So that books, so I took that book and done in a digital audio format. So again they have written a second book. So here in the city, children got so much opportunity. In the places, in the villages, in the districts, in the mandals, if you see, there is no much opportunity. If they want to do also, parents don't allow sometimes, right? So I thought it will be different zone and inspiration to them also, because they should not stop writing that poetry karke. That I felt that, and
that's
we
actually
did
a very good initiative.
yeah. So we got so many books till now. We have completed around 70 books, and after this 100 books we are going to launch. And we are also developing an app in that there is all these books, and it will be a free of cost for the literature.
Wow.